Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on the Bristol Council Tax website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bristol.gov.uk and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for the Bristol City Council. Now in order to log into your account, click on your account at the top right corner and then click on Council Tax. Now from this page, scroll down and you will see the sign in or register button. Go ahead and click on this and you will be taken into the login portal. And then you can click on sign in here in order to proceed with logging in. Now within the username box, type in the username that you have created while signing up for your account and then enter your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the sign in button and you will be logged in to your Bristol City Council Tax account right away. In case you have forgotten your username or password, you can click on the respective buttons and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Bristol Council Tax account on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.